Well, thank you for joining us on exercise 3G. I'll be looking at question 3A. Question 3A says find the real numbers A and B that satisfy the following. Now, we're told that 1 plus 3i times A plus BI equal 5 plus 5i. Now, what we need to do is match the real components with the real components on the left and the right side, and then the imaginary components with the imaginary components on the left and right side. So first let's expand. The first one, 1 times A is A. The second loop here is 1 times BI, that's BI. The third loop here is 3I times A, so that's 3AI. And the fourth loop, the fourth expansion product here is 3i times bi, so it's 3bi squared. Now we've still got 5 plus 5i over here. And make a note here that I squared is negative 1. So 3b I squared is 3b times negative 1, which is negative 3b. So let's replace that with negative 3b, and we'll group the real terms. So the real components would be a, and this becomes negative 3b. So a, negative 3b, they are the real terms, and the imaginary terms are bi and 3ai. Okay, so we just regroup now. So the real terms would be a minus 3b. And the imaginary terms will factorize the I out. We'll factorize the I out here, and that would be bi plus 3ai. And now we have a situation where we can match. So if we match the real component with the real component of the left and the right, so a minus 3b equals 5. Let's this be the first equation, and let's match now the imaginary component with the imaginary component. So we say that b plus 3a equals 5, and that's our second equation. Now, if we simplify this, I'm just going to change the order of b and 3a. A and B, make it easier. Now, I will solve these simultaneously, and if I triple equation 1, so 3a minus 9b equals 15, and if I negate equation 2, I get negative 3a minus b equals negative 5. Now I can add these two equations together, and that would become 0, negative 10b, and 10. Therefore, b equals 10 over negative 10, which equals negative 1. Now if b is negative 1, we substitute b is negative 1 into, any equation above, let's just put it into, say, equation 1. And we say a minus 3 times negative 1 equals 5. So we've just replaced this b here with negative 1. And so we've got a plus 3 equal 5 equals 5 minus 3 equals 2. Therefore, our solution for this question is a equals 2 and b equals negative 1. So I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.